And then they wonder why their social media is not working. It's not a creativity problem, it's a planning problem. Most small business owners I talk to are doing the same thing. They wake up, open Instagram, think, okay, I'm going to post something today. But then they stare at it for 20 minutes. Either they post something or just give up. And then they wonder why their social media is not working. It's not a creativity problem, it's a planning problem. In next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an entire month's content in under 2 hours without overthinking, without needing a big team, and without burning out. Hi, my name is Bhaskar, and let's get into it. Why most content plans fails before they even start? Most people either don't plan or over plan. They build this massive spreadsheet with 30 different post types, color code, content categories, and then they follow it for 3 days and abandon it. The reason? It's too complicated to maintain. A good content calendar is not about perfection. It's about having just enough structure so you are never starting from zero. Think of it like a weekly meal plan. You just have to decide few meals in advance so you are not ordering junk food every night out of desperation. Same idea is applied here. Start with your content pillars. Before you touch a calendar, you need to decide what do you want to actually talk about. These are called content pillars. Basically, 3 to 4 core topics that your brand consistently talks about. For small businesses, your pillars might look something like this. Education. Teach your audience something useful related to your industry. It can be how-tos, tips, and common mistakes. Behind the scenes. Show the real side of running a business. People trust what they see. Social proof. Results, testimonials, transformations. Let your customers do the talking. Offers and CTAs. Yes, you are allowed to sell, but not in every post. Once you have all your pillars, content planning becomes so much easier because you are not staring at a blank page anymore. You are just asking, which pillar am I filling today? Pick your posting frequency and be honest about it. Here is where most people go wrong. They see someone posting 7 days a week and they try to copy that. They don't. Consistency beats frequency every single time. 3 posts a week that are actually good will outperform the 7 posts that are rushed or random. Then assign pillars to days. For example, Monday is for education, Wednesday is for behind the scenes, and Friday can be for your offers. That is your skeleton. Now you just have to fill it in. The 2-hour monthly planning session. Here is the actual process. Block 2 hours once a month. That's it. First 30 minutes, brain dump. Write down every idea you have. Don't judge anything yet. Questions your customers ask, things you wish people knew, behind the scenes, recent wins, just get it all out. Next 30 minutes, filter and assign. Look at your ideas and assign each one to a pillar. Then, drop them into your calendar slots for the month. You don't need to fill every single day, just get the month roughly mapped. Final hour. Batch your content. Write your captions, record your videos, or create your graphics in just one sitting. Batching saves you enormous amount of mental energy because you are in creation mode instead of constantly switching between planning and creating. And once it's done, schedule everything in advance so it goes out automatically. The mistake that kills consistency. Even with the content calendar, a lot of people fall off after 2-3 weeks. Usually it's because of the system lives in too many spaces. A spreadsheet is here, notes app there, and save drafts somewhere else. When your workflow is scattered, it's easy to lose track and just stop. The fix is simple. Keep everything in one place. Your ideas, your calendar, your captions, and your schedule posts, all in one single dashboard. That's actually one of the core reasons why we built SocialEZ. It's a platform where you can map your content calendar, write captions with AI assistants, and schedule your post, all from one single dashboard. If you want to try it out, there is a free trial link below. Takes about 2 minutes to set up. So to recap, pick 3 to 4 content pillars so you always know what to post about. Choose a realistic posting frequency, consistency over volume. Do a 2-hour planning session every month to map everything out. Batch your content so you are not creating content under pressure every day. Last but not the least, keep your workflow in one single place. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And if you are someone who is trying to stay consistent on social media without spending all your time onto it, check out SocialEZ. Free trial, no credit card is required. See you in the next one.